Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my another English blog video. This is Ruma Naik in front of you. How are you feeling today? I hope you all doing well by the grace of God. I'm also fine and I have come here for practicing English. As you know, every morning I come here for practicing. It's time to practice and I am practicing English. I'm walking also on the roof in this building. Have a look, the weather, sun is shining everywhere. Today Sunday, not only Sunday but also sunny day, and Sri must be sleeping right now. And I have come here and I have woken up too long ago around 6 o'clock. After that I was reading book and now I'm practicing English as well as making video. As you know, I'm fond of making videos, so now I'm making video. And what do you like? I mean, which one do you like, tea or coffee? Please tell me. And I prefer coffee to tea whenever I go outside. And evening time, that time I try to would like to take coffee. I like to coffee. That's why I'm telling you. And there is a nip in the air. As you know, winter has set in and I have to take out the woolens today. And winter lasts 3 months, and morning and evening time the colder than the daytime. So what to do, but you, I think you should layer up our body with woolens. So I have to take out today, and today I have a lot of works. After making video, I have to go downstairs and I have to finish our household chores, and as well as I have to sweep on the floor and water the plant. Have a look downstairs. And one more thing, that's it. I want to ask you, that's it. I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak English perfectly, but I can't. I wish I could speak English perfectly, but I can't. I think that's mean I'm not practicing every day. And nowadays, as you know, nowadays fluency in English, many people's want. So what to do or what not to do, please tell me. Whenever I try to speak English outside, whenever I try to try to conversation with other people, that time I forget all words. I mean, between the conversation. So I think I'm not practicing every day. I should practice daily and regularly, but I didn't get time to practice English. How can I speak English? I don't know. And whenever I get free time, that time I must try to speak in English. And as you one more thing, and remembering one English not about remembering words, it is practice. As far as I know, if you practice regular, if you practice daily, then you can speak English perfectly. And how can I speak English? Like, practice is everywhere. You can practice with your friends, you can talking to your family members who knows this language perfectly. You can practice with them. And if you make mistakes, so they help you to correct you. So that's why I'm telling you. And one more thing, you can practice with watching cartoon, with watching movies, songs. But movie or song, it's difficult to get you, man. It's difficult to get for you because they use so many phrases or idiom, and they can speak very fastly. So I think you didn't get it. I think you can't get it. So as far as I know, and you can start cartoon video. Yes, it's good for you. You can use cartoon video. You can watch cartoon video, because whenever I mean, zero level, that time I used to watch cartoon video with my daughters. And nowadays I'm also doing, whenever I get free time, nowadays I'm also doing watch cartoon. I love to watch cartoon, Bengali cartoon also I love to watch, but as well as I like Bengali cartoon, but as well as nowadays I starting watch English cartoon to get it, to learn this language. I have made up my mind to learn this language, come what may. So that's why I'm telling you, and you have to fix your mind. You have to mindset fast what to do or what not to do. It's if you practice every day, if you want to wholeheartedly, then you can do it. Yes, makes perfect, practice makes man perfect, as you know. So practice regular, practice every day to fluency and to get fluence. And one more thing, oh sorry, on top of that, never think speaking English only, not sorry, speaking English fluency only about speaking fast. It not like that. Speaking fast, not you have to speak generally, gently, like clearly. It's good. You have to speak English, you have to speak English generally or clearly, because if you speak fast, then the other side, other people, they didn't get what are you saying, so it little bit problem. So if you speak English clearly, then the other side people can get it easily. So that's why I'm telling you. And you have to do one more thing, that's it. You have to speak English with confidence. It's, I think it's the most important nowadays. You have to speak English with confidence. You have to, you speak English not very well, not like native speaker, but you have to speak English with confidence. You can make mistake, whatever. So you don't worry, you have to practice every day, and you have to practice, with your friends, you have to practice with your family member who knows this language very well. So I will tell you, you have to practice by watching cartoon, by watching movie, every day you have to listen this language, like podcast, songs, whatever you want. And one more thing, I wait, I have to go downstairs, so I have a lot of work. So bye bye. God be with you and be well, everyone. See you on next video. And I have to sit in the sun little bit because I am feeling cold. So that's why I'm telling you. And I have to drink water every morning. I drink warm water, not only hot. Warm water every morning I drink. So bye bye, see you next video. God be with you. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep going, whatever you want. And one more thing, don't forget to share my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, please. I want to speak in English, I want to fluent in English. So please tell me why. And if I make mistake, if I am making mistake, please comment me, because I want to know where I am making mistake. That's why I'm every day try to make a video. Actually I want to know where I'm making mistake. So if it's possible for you to please find out my mistake. Bye bye, see you next video, ta